am Pam Beer. I am proud to be skipping the Boland Veteran Ladies team at the 2025 Perfect Delivery Inter-District Bowls Tournament to be held in Cape Town. Our team is myself as skip, Jean Grayling as third, Ingela Lambrecht as second, and Leslie Smart as lead. What does winning together mean to me? Together is the key word. We will include each member with decision making. Together we support and motivate and respect each other. We will strive to make each bowl a perfect delivery with a perfect result. From our Boland Veteran Ladies team, we would like to wish all the playing participants in the tournament good bowling.